here we go. Monday night. Simple one for you tonight. We're gonna do Citra Queen on salmon and broccoli, all on one sheet pan. Oven is warming up to 450. There's a chance we can have all of this done in 20 minutes. Let's see. It says it's 5:16 right now. Salt. Remember, none of our blends have salt. To season, we've got about a tablespoon of Citra Queen and a teaspoon of salt. That's sort of the size I'm going for. See, that's my thumb, that's the broccoli. Toss with about a tablespoon of olive oil before you salt. Alright, salt, good pinch, another little pinch. And again, shooting for probably a tablespoon, maybe, a little less, 3/4. Okay. Is there some over there?
No, that's water.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna toss.
You cannot toss my water.
No, I said I was tossing the broccoli. So I'm gonna put this on parchment paper and then transfer the parchment paper to the pan, because the pan's already in the oven getting hot. I really like starting with a hot pan, so there's no energy wasted in trying to get the heat through a cold pan. Back in 15 minutes. Alright, quick sauce. Looks like we got about 2 minutes left. Tahini, buy it in most stores. We're going to do a big tablespoon or two of whole fat yogurt. I've got Greek here. This amounts to about a cup. Okay? And then salt and pepper. Usually yogurt tahini sauce would like a little lemon, but since the Citra Queen already has so much citrus flavor, I'm going to skip that. But I am going to do a sprinkle of ancho chili. I just like a little bit of this. And this one, and some sesame seeds for some texture. And then we whip it. You can add a little water if you need to thin it out if it's too thick, especially if you're using whole fat yogurt.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video. Oh, and lastly, honey. Forgot, I like a little bit of honey in it. Alright, it's almost like an icing consistency. That's our salmon. Alright. There you go. Put the sauce on the bottom. Salmon fillet just resting on top. And now let's just add some broccoli. Go around the edges. Alright, wrapping it up. So tonight we had Citra Queen on oven roasted salmon and broccoli, all one pan. I think we were close to 30 minutes, but that's still pretty good. Simple sauce on the bottom, remember, it's yogurt, a little bit of tahini, 2/3 1/3 ratio, however you like the tahini, that's the more potent flavor, and a little bit of ancho chili and salt and pepper, and honey for sweetness. All right, thanks. Immediate feedback for the broccoli. Just a note, at 15 minutes at 450 at thumb size, it's still fairly al dente, but I like it that way. So if you want a little softer, put it in like 4 or 5 minutes before you add your salmon, but that just adds another layer of complexity. So maybe just cut it even smaller, make it more like finger size. All right, let us know what you think.